یہ کہانی دو دوستوں سیم اور بل کی ہے جنہیں $2000 میں مغربی الینوائس میں تھوڑی سی زمین خریدنی ہے، لیکن ان کے پاس صرف $600 ہیں۔ وہ ایبینیزر ڈورسٹ کے اکلوتے بیٹے کو ان پیسوں کے لیے اغوا کرنے کا فیصلہ کرتے ہیں۔ وہ اس بچے کو اغوا کر کے درختوں والے ایک پہاڑ پر لے جاتے ہیں اور وہاں ایک غار میں اسے رکھتے ہیں۔ یہ بچہ بہت شریر ہوتا ہے اور ایسے لگتا ہے کہ اسے گھر سے زیادہ مزہ غار میں آ رہا ہے۔ ایک دن جب بیل واپس آ جاتا ہے تو بچہ غار میں آگ جلا کر اس کے پاس بیٹھا ہوتا ہے۔ اس نے بالوں میں 2 پر لگائے ہوتے ہیں اور خود کو ریڈ انڈین کہتا ہے۔ پھر بیل اپنے دوست سیم سے کہتا ہے کہ بچہ اب ٹھیک ہے اور وہ ریڈ انڈین کھیل رہے ہیں۔ بیل ہینک بنا ہوا ہے اور ریڈ چیف نے اسے اغوا کیا ہے۔ بچے کو اس کھیل میں مزہ آ رہا ہوتا ہے اور وہ سیم کو سانپ کی آنکھوں والا کہتا ہے اور اس سے کہتا ہے کہ وہ اگلے دن اپنے انجام کو پہنچے گا۔ سیم، بل اور وہ اغوا کیا ہوا بچہ رات کا کھانا کھاتے ہیں اور بچہ ان کو بتاتا ہے کہ زندگی میں اسے اتنا مزہ کبھی نہیں آیا جتنا یہاں آ رہا ہے۔ اسے اسکول سے نفرت ہے، وہ عجیب عجیب باتیں کرتا ہے اور عجیب عجیب سوالات کرتا ہے۔ باتوں باتوں میں اسے یاد آ جاتا ہے کہ وہ ریڈ انڈین ہے اور وہ بیل پر حملہ کر دیتا ہے۔ پھر سیم اس سے کہتا ہے کہ کیا وہ گھر جانا چاہے گا، لیکن بچہ یہ کہہ کر انکار کر دیتا ہے کہ اسے گھر میں بالکل مزہ نہیں آتا، اسے کیمپنگ بہت پسند ہے اور اسے گھر نہ لے جائے۔ اس رات اس بچے نے ان 2 دوستوں کو سونے نہیں دیا اور خود بھی ساری رات جاگتا رہا۔ صبح کے وقت سیم بل کی آواز پر جاگتا ہے اور دیکھتا ہے کہ ریڈ چیف اس کے سینے پر بیٹھا ہے اور ایک ہاتھ سے اس کے بال پکڑے ہیں اور دوسرے ہاتھ میں چاقو سے اس کا گلا کاٹنے کی دھمکی دے رہا ہے۔ سیم اس کو قابو کرتا ہے اور اس کے ہاتھ سے چاقو لے کر بیل کو چھڑا لیتا ہے۔ بیل کو اب اس بچے سے ڈر لگتا ہے اور اسے یقین ہو جاتا ہے کہ اتنے شیطان بچے کا اسے کوئی $2000 نہیں دے گا۔ سیم بچے کو دھمکی دیتا ہے کہ اگر وہ نہیں سدھرا تو وہ اسے گھر لے جائے گا، اور پھر وہ بیل اور بچے کے بیچ میں صلح کر دیتا ہے۔ اس کے بعد بیل اور سیم بچے کے فادر کو ایک خط لکھتے ہیں اور ان سے $2000 کی بجائے $1500 کا مطالبہ کرتے ہیں اور جواب کا انتظار کرتے ہیں۔ اسی دوران بچہ ان دونوں کو اور بھی پریشان کرتا ہے۔ پھر انہیں بچے کی فیملی کا خط ملتا ہے جس میں لکھا ہوتا ہے بچے کی واپسی کی قیمت بہت زیادہ ہے اور یہ کہ وہ اس بچے کو ایک شرط پر واپس لیں گے اگر سیم اور بل انہیں $250 دیں گے۔ یعنی اب ان کے والدین سیم اور بل سے بچہ واپس لینے کے پیسے مانگ رہے ہیں۔ سیم اور بل اس شیطان بچے سے چھٹکارا پانے کے لیے راضی ہو جاتے ہیں اور وہ ڈورسٹ کو $250 ادا کر دیتے ہیں اور ان سے کہتے ہیں کہ وہ بچے کو پکڑے رکھے تاکہ بل اور سیم دور بھاگ سکے۔ The Ransom of Red Chief Exercise Section A Comprehension. Answer the following questions. Question A. Which part of the United States of America is this story set in? Answer. This story is set in Alabama in the South. Question B. Why did the 2 men decide to kidnap someone? Answer. The 2 men decided to kidnap someone because they needed $2,000 to buy some land in the western Illinois. They thought they would demand money as ransom. Question C. What is the first sign we have that the kidnappers have picked a difficult victim? Answer. When we read that the kid throws a piece of brick at Bill, we have the first sign that the kidnappers have picked a difficult victim. Question D. What do we learn about Ebenezer Dorset? Answer. We learn that he is a prominent citizen. He is known for his wealth, which he has earned lending money at interests and taking possessions of the things put with him as security. یعنی ہمیں یہ معلوم ہوتا ہے کہ ایبینزر ڈورسٹ جو ہے وہ ایک مشہور اور امیر آدمی ہے اور اس نے اپنی ساری دولت لوگوں کو سود پر قرضے دے کر حاصل کی ہے۔ اس کے علاوہ وہ ان لوگوں کی ان چیزوں پر بھی قبضہ کر دیتا تھا جو وہ لوگ ان کے پاس گروی رکھتے تھے۔ Question E. What other crimes have Sam and Bill committed? Answer. I guess they might have stolen from houses and robbed people at night. They might also have cheated people. Question F. What do we learn about Johnny Dorset? Answer. We learn that he is 9 years old. He has red hair. He is a troublesome child. He likes camping. He does not like school. He puts his neighbors in trouble. Question G. What game did Johnny play? Answer. Johnny played Red Indians. He imagined himself to be a Red Indian. Question H. Why did Bill try to release Johnny before they had the ransom? Answer. Bill tried to release Johnny before they had the ransom because Johnny had awfully tortured him. He was ridden like a horse and was given scent in the mouth. Question I. How did Sam and Bill get Johnny to go home? Answer. Sam and Bill got the child to go home by telling him that his father had bought him a new toy and they would play with it. Question J. Where did Bill say they would get to in 10 minutes? Is that possible? What does he mean? Answer. Bill said that they would cross the country and be over the Canadian border. No, it isn't possible. He means that they would be gone by then. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. Question K. What effect did Johnny have on the two men? Answer. Johnny was an adventurous and violent child. He was so threatening sometimes that he would frighten the two men. Johnny exhausted and enraged them by his aggressive behavior. Question L. What character do you feel sympathy for? Why? Answer. I feel sympathy for Bill. I feel sympathy because whenever he is left alone with the child, he is either injured or threatened to be killed by the child. 2. Answer the following questions with reference to the context. A. At last I fell into a troubled sleep and dreamed that I had been kidnapped and chained to a tree by a ferocious pirate with red hair. Question 1. Who is this about? Answer. This is about Sam. Question 2. Why is his sleep troubled? Answer. His sleep is troubled because the kidnapping does not go according to the plan and the child is continuously troubling Sam and Bill. Question 3. Why is this a strange dream for this character to be having? Answer. This is a strange dream because in the dream the kidnapper is a victim. B. I think Mr. Dorset is generous for making us such an offer. Question 1. Who is the speaker and to whom are the words addressed? Answer. Bill is the speaker and the words are addressed to Sam. Question 2. Who is Mr. Dorset and what is his offer? Answer. Mr. Dorset is Johnny's father. He is offering to take Johnny back if the kidnappers pay him $250. Question 3. Why is this offer unusual in this situation? Answer. This offer is unusual in this situation because the victim is asking the kidnappers to pay. B. Working with words. Use these words and phrases in sentences of your own. Discuss them first. Treachery. Behavior that deceives someone who trusts you. He lost because of the treachery of his own friends. Ferocious. Frightening and violent. We saw a ferocious tiger in the jungle. Proposition. An offer or suggestion. We thought about the proposition and decided to take it. Surreptitiously. Secretly. She looked at the answer surreptitiously. Stood by you, supported you, helped you. My parents have stood by me all my life. Get on my nerves. Irritate me. The noise in the neighbor gets on my nerves. Like a leech, very tightly. The kid held his mother's leg like a leech. Patched up, to try to improve a relationship after problems. The two friends have now patched up after the last night argument. Take it off your hands. Remove it from your hand. Take it away from your hands. I am afraid of that knife you have. Take it off your hands. 2. Look at these sentences from the passage and change them into correct English. A. Bill and me had about $600. The correct sentence is Bill and I had about $600. B. I was rode like a horse. The correct sentence is I was ridden like a horse. C. Ain't it awful, Sam? The correct sentence is Isn't it awful, Sam? Or Is it not awful, Sam? D. Sand ain't edible. The correct sentence is Sand isn't edible or Sand is not edible. 3. Find two or more meanings of the following words. Rattle, a sound like repeated knocks. To make someone nervous. To cause something make a noise like repeated knocks. Scalp, the skin on the top of head. A defeated person. To sell something at higher price when they are difficult to get. Home, house, a place of origin, your own country or your own area. Glance, to give a quick short look. Shine, figure, number, shape of the human body. Picture, to calculate an amount. Prominent, famous, noticeable. Store, shop, to keep things in a special place to be used in future. Curse, speak angrily, perform magic to bring bad luck, a cause of trouble. Noise, unpleasant sounds, bad change in signal. Moment, a short period of time. Occasion. Section C. Learning about language. 1. Write the following sentences in your exercise book, putting a box or brackets around the subject and a line under the predicate. The subject and the predicate. Look at the following sentences. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. The two friends played together all day. Gold is a precious thing. Subject is the person, place, or thing that we talk about in a sentence. In the above sentences, Islamabad, the two friends, and gold are subjects. They are place, people, and thing we are talking about in these sentences. Put what or who before the verb and the answer is the subject of the sentence. For example, Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. What is the capital of Pakistan? Islamabad. The answer is Islamabad, so Islamabad is the subject. The two friends played together all day. Who played together all day? The two friends. So the two friends is the subject because it is the answer when we put who before the verb played. Gold is a precious thing. What is a precious thing? Gold. So gold is the subject. A. Bill rose slowly. Bill is the subject and rose slowly is the predicate. Be good, Johnny. Be good is the predicate. Johnny is the subject. Now I want you to go home. I is the subject. Now want you to go home is the predicate. Nobody got any sleep because of the noise. Nobody is the subject. Got any sleep because of the noise is the predicate. Just do it. The subject is you, which is left out. Just do it is the predicate. 2. Add suitable subjects to the following so that they become complete sentences. A. The two friends ambled down the road. Ambled means walk slowly. B. At the end of the day, our grandfather stretches out in his chair. C. In the large mansion lies the box. D. When they arrived, we looked astonished. E. The dog chased the cats. F. They cleaned up the mess.